Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk about a company named SIPSBY. So SIPSBY reached out to me and they asked me if they could send me a package every month to review on my channel, and I agreed because recently I have been getting into teas a lot more. I did purchase some of the Teami Tea things and I've just enjoyed getting different teas and trying them out, and it really helps me when I'm doing my fasting. And then there's some teas that are a good replacement for coffee for me, so instead of always drinking a coffee loaded with my bulletproof coffees and breaking my fast, I can go longer with certain teas. So there's teas that help you sleep, there's teas that help you poop, there's teas that help you be energized, there's all kinds of different teas. So SIPSBY sent me a box of teas that are based off of what I like. So when you sign up for SIPSBY, you get a questionnaire type thing. They ask you, like, do you prefer this type of tea or this type of tea? Do you like raspberry or do you like more cinnamon? You know, it asks you so it can get a very detailed idea of what kind of teas you like. So I filled mine out and I received my first box, and it comes in this cute little box with all these little hearts and little leaves all over it. It's really cute actually. It like kind of reminds me of a little like Louis Vuitton moment or something. I don't know. So their website is sipsby.com, and I have some of this stuff. I've been trying it throughout the week. I have some of this stuff that is in baggies, and I should have put these two in a separate baggie because this is my favorite so far, which I don't think it's spilled. I think all of this that's spilled is the cacao. No, that's not true. They're actually, so these two teas got mixed together, but this was my favorite. It was called Tea Head Strawberry Blend, and it has like the same design that the SIPSBY box has on it. So I wonder if that means that SIPSBY makes that tea. That's interesting. Because, yeah, they do. So that is actually a SIPSBY tea, and that was actually my favorite so far. It had elderberries, hibiscus, apple, black currants flavoring, blackberry, strawberries, raspberries, and strawberry leaves, and I really enjoyed this one. I feel like I'm really far away from you guys, I'm sorry. The next one, and that one was caffeine free if I remember correctly. Yes, it was. The next one that I tried, which I also really liked, was this cacao tea, and that is also caffeine free. And I guess the next time I make this, I'm gonna have a nice little mixture of strawberry blend and cacao, which doesn't sound that bad. So I'll have to make this and let you guys know how that turns out. So those were two of the teas. I also did get another one of those cacao, and this isn't just one serving. This is how many servings are in here? This is like, this is like 2.5 servings in this one. And then I got this zest tea called Blue Lady, and this is a high caffeine tea. Now I did put a mixture of non-caffeinated and caffeinated teas in my checklist, so if you didn't want to have any caffeine in your teas, then you could obviously check that. If you didn't like certain flavors, obviously you check that. But this sounds really good to me. I have not tried it yet. It just says, it doesn't have much of a description with it, but okay, so the Blue Lady, if you look, it comes with this little card, and it actually says made for Nacine right on the top of it. So the Blue Lady Black is a zest tea, and you are supposed to steep it for 4 minutes. It's about a teaspoon for 8 ounces of water. It says it's South Indian black tea, cornflowers, hibiscus, orange peel, lemon, passion fruit flavor, and natural caffeine. So that actually sounds really good, and it's really pretty. You can see the little leaves. These are loose leaves, but they also had an option for non-loose leaf teas. And so then the last tea that I got 4 packets of this, which there is a tea bag in here if I'm not mistaken. So I got 4 packets of these. These, like I just said, these actually are in tea bags. And 1 tea bag makes 8 ounces. And this is a natural energy tea. So it says it's high caffeine and it aims to promote balance between mind, body, and spirit. The blend is intended to help fight fatigue and anxiety and improve concentration. So I'm excited to try that one today. I'm actually going to try that one because I have a long drive ahead of me, so I'm going to be drinking that one tonight. I'm going to my boyfriend's, so this will be helpful. And it's got a lot of different herbs and roots in it, but it's called Davidson's Organics and it smells really good. So besides that, I also got this little baggie of reusable cloth tea bags, and there's a good amount in here. And so I think these probably come in every box, I'm assuming. This is what they look like outside of it. They're very thin cloth reusable bag. And then it also came with 2 little cards. One of them is for it's a $50 gift card for brightsellers.com for wine. And then the other one is $10 tea cash for SIPSBY. So I can go on here and enter my tea cash code and I get $10 off. I don't think I have any sort of code or anything like that for it. I'm just excited because I really do enjoy these teas in this box, and I really do enjoy drinking tea more so lately, and I'm trying to get more into it. It's better for you than drinking all these energy drinks and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, although it is making my teeth kind of yellow. Anyways, that's it guys. I just wanted to let you guys know about this SIPSBY and show you what I got in my box, and I'll see you again next month with a new SIPSBY box and we'll discuss the flavors, my darling.